in SewCraftCook. Today I wanted to show you our beautiful sewing kits. They come in a large and also a small size, and they come in a beautiful gift box with a beautiful shiny white box and gold foil. Here they are unboxed. They're in a beautiful vegan leather in white. As I said, there's the small and the large size. They've got our lovely logo in gold, and they come with a beautiful metal zipper also in gold. I'll show you the large kit first. You get a nice set of instructions with details on our how-to videos on all of the products that are in our kits. There's 36 different coloured cotton-based threads. They're useful for hand and machine sewing. It's 15 meters of iron-on hem tape, 2 denim patches in a light and a dark denim, a pin cushion, which we've made into a ring, makes it super useful, a pin round with pearl head pins, 30 hand sewing needles, a magnifying glass, 6 different sewing machine needles in a size 11, 14 and 16, 10 safety pins, 2 different needle threaders, a pack of stitch savers, 10 clear buttons and 10 black buttons. You've got 4 sewing machine bobbins, which are useful for most general sewing machine types. If you have a specialist machine, you may need a slightly different type of bobbin, but you can just pop them into this space. There's a tape measure with 60 inches on one side and 150 centimeters on the other. There's a lovely sharp pair of fabric scissors, a seam ripper, a bodkin used for threading elastic, a fabric pencil. Give that a little sharpen before you use it, just to remove the waxy end. There's 5 metal studs, a wool needle, crochet hook, a loop turner for turning out cylinders or tubes such as belts or ties, or even dolls' arms and legs. There's a thimble and a ring thimble as well. There's also 3 quilt clips, which are useful for thicker fabric instead of pins, or for when you're quilting. Here's our small sewing kit, again with our lovely gold logo and our white vegan leather. You've got 18 different thread colours, perfect for hand sewing small repair jobs. You've got a seam ripper, a thimble, a needle threader, a beautiful box of 100 pearl-headed pins, a little card to direct you to our how-to videos, 3 meters of iron-on hem tape, 2 iron-on denim patches in 2 different colours, a very sharp pair of scissors, some safety pins and some clear buttons, some metal press studs, a wool needle, a fabric pencil, again give that a little sharpen, a crochet hook, 30 hand sewing needles, and a tape measure with 60 inches on one side and 150 centimeters on the other. A compact kit is perfect to keep in your handbag, or perhaps the car, or the boat, or the RV, and it makes a great gift for a starter sewer. And our large kit is perfect for home use. Great for the study, pop it in the craft room. Because you'll use it near your sewing machine, keep it somewhere handy. And if you'd like to see some of our how-to videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more.